Hello guys, I am V Sai Srinivas of 10th class from Math Man. So today I will be explaining today's editorial. So let's get started. So today our editorial's title is Seeds and Fruits. A mechanism for CMs to cooperate on issues of central state relations is welcome. West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee's call for cooperation among non-NDA counterparts in other states to support farmers agitating against three controversial laws made in June 2020 seems part of a larger political project. It is meant to go beyond aiding the farmers who fear that these laws could make them more vulnerable to market fluctuation. But the focus on farm laws, which the government says would make farming more competitive and remunerative, is an important part. While the government reiterated that this week that MSP for various crops would continue, the fact remains that regardless of the merits of these laws, they were made without adequate consultation with parties, states, and the stakeholders. After a meeting with farmer leaders from Uttar Pradesh, Ms. Banerjee said she accepted their request to speak to other chief ministers who are not in the NDA. While reiterating her demand to repeal the three laws, she has proposed a virtual conference of CMs with the farmers and a joint letter to the center of the issue. Many CMs are likely to agree with her despite political rivalries among them. At least two other CMs who were elected along with her in recent assembly elections share her position on farm laws. Kerala's Pinayari Vijayan and Tamil Nadu's M.K. Stalin. In Kerala, the previous assembly had in December 2020 passed a unanimous resolution seeking the repeal of these laws. That said, all non-NDA CMs may not be willing to be part of joint platform because of their individual calculations and expediency and the fear of retribution by the center. Delhi's Arvind Kejriwal, for instance, had sought the support of other CMs against unilateral actions by center that curtailed the powers of his government. Ms. Banerjee had vociferously supported him, but Mr. Kejriwal was not reciprocative when she raised concerns of overreach by the center. The recent joint efforts by some CMs to persuade the center to withdraw its previous vaccination policy did not get wholehearted support from others. The CMs of Odisha and Andhra Pradesh, Naveen Patnaik and Y.S. Jagan Mohan Reddy, have sought to keep the center in good humor. Nevertheless, the joint efforts by CMs did not lead to a change in the vaccination policy. Joint strategy on farm laws could be more difficult as their impact is uneven across the states. But a broader point raised by Ms. Banerjee about the center's tendency to ignore the states while formulating policy is salient. She has also called for a continuing mechanism for CMs to cooperate on issues of central state relations. Turning this into a combative platform could do more harm than good, but it is a suggestion worth pursuing. Cooperative federalism, a concept that Prime Minister Narendra Modi advocates, one be pursued more meaningfully through continuous and harmonious communication with CMs. A conversation on farm laws could be a good beginning. So, guys, this whole editorial is regarding the farmers' strikes and the CM's cooperation. So, the Chief Minister of West Bengal is Mamata Banerjee. Mamata Banerjee had conference with some farmer group leaders, and she understood that the farmers' agitation against these three laws is reasonable and logical, because now the farmers are vulnerable to the market because of the fluctuations. Because of these three laws, they could be even more vulnerable, and it could cause them future problems. So, a large political step is to aid these farmers. So, Mamata Banerjee had contacted the other CMs and requested them to do a video conference with these farmers. So the government thinks that these farm laws will make farming more competitive and remunerative, but it is important that the farmers too agree with it. So these laws were made without consultation with the farmers and the parties. So these farm laws can have uneven impact among different states of India. The farmer leaders from Uttar Pradesh contacted Miss Banerjee. So she spoke with them and accepted their request. She also wanted other chief ministers to meet them. So some CMs of Kerala and Tamil Nadu will meet the farmers for sure, because they have been against these farm laws since the very beginning. So Tamil Nadu's Chief Minister M.K. Stalin and Pinarayi Vijayan, who is the respective Chief Minister of Kerala, had already wanted the center to consider the laws again. So this is a big step, because all the CMs have to cooperate in order to get rid of the three farm laws. But when they tried to change the way of the center by asking them to change their vaccine policy, it didn't end well. So the CMs of Odisha and Andhra Pradesh decided to step back and leave it to the central government. So the joint strategy on farm laws is more difficult to emphasize, because the thing here is its impact might be different at different parts of India. Where there is agriculture more, it might be good, and where there is not, it might be bad. So that's it for today, guys. Thank you.